See you and your best friend. I see you and your best friend. I get this feeling, girl, when you wind up on me. Your style amazing, shawty, I don't want nobody. You just my type, I know what you like.
I say hi, Bia. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Bia is pretty antisocial. But today, we're going to put together 2 sides of play for my baby Bia. You know? That's what we're going to do. We're going to put this together. You want me to put it together? Yes? Great. She doesn't speak much. But we're going to get it done.
See you and your best friend. I see you and your best friend. I get this feeling, girl, when you wind up on me. Your style amazing, shawty, I don't want nobody. You just my type, I know what you like, I'm on. You could bring your best friend, baby, I won't tell nobody. I get this feeling, girl, when you wind up on me. Your style amazing, shawty, I don't want nobody. You just my type, I know what you like, I'm on. You could bring your best friend, baby, I won't tell nobody. You're freaky, baby girl, I love your tiptoe. Sit still to your wine, your waist and go low. I know you feeling a young nigga, I'm on it. Just come my way, baby girl, we start a party. You could bring your bestie or your next friend. I just guess I don't tell fuck who you texting. I know that lame nigga got you really stressing. I got the stress reliever, baby, test me. I know you want it, how you shake it, you twerk it. You got your tongue up, baby, you not a virgin. I know your ex nigga see you out here splurging. Cause you need your Selena, brand new birthday. Your bestie 1 part 2. I see you with your girlfriends, you see me with my crew. Just roll for the night, I'll show you what the dons do. With the real Don crew, baby, I'll show you what I do, yeah. I got this feeling, girl, when you wind up on me. Your style amazing, shawty, I don't want nobody. You just my type, I know what you like, I'm on. You could bring your best friend, baby, I won't tell nobody. I get this feeling, girl, when you wind up on me. Your style amazing, shawty, I don't want nobody. You just my type, I know what you like.
All right, y'all, we got it together. We got it together, didn't we, baby? We got it together? Mm-hmm. That's what it was, y'all. Fisher Price. 2 sides of play. I got the kitchen on one side. Sweet. Got my young cook ready. See what we got on this side. Yeah. Oh, this looks like some fun over here. We gonna see what my baby do with that. You eating, girl? Yep. That's what she loves. Right, baby?
See you and your best friend. I see you and your best friend. I get this feeling, girl, when you wind up on me. Your style amazing, shawty, I don't want no.
We did that. I mean, I think I did it. I tried my best, at least. What's the matter? What's the matter? We just telling the people see you later. All right, guys, as you can see, Bia's over this. We see you guys later. Adios.
You could bring your best friend, baby, I won't tell nobody. You're freaky, baby girl, I love your tiptoe. Sit still to your wine, your waist and go low. I know you feeling a young nigga, I'm on it. Just come my way, baby girl, we start a party. You could bring your bestie or your next friend. I just guess I don't tell fuck who you text.